What is she doing? Yes, hello and welcome to another vlog from Banner Rider. Today I want to tell you about my Odyssey. Can you say that? When it comes to the repair shop where I just went. I went to Honda and there were two things. The windscreen they wanted to change, and also to check on the noise that I still have. Yeah, there were some problems. Maybe I just park somewhere because I cannot really tell you all this story while riding. Too much to tell. Maybe I'll just stop somewhere. I don't know. Yeah, I have to quickly tell you this because it's very hard again. Anyways, I went to the repair shop because of the windscreen. They ordered a new windscreen because they scratched it when they repaired it, or when they did the 1,000 kilometer service. It was just a small scratch, you know, like a German scratch. It would not have been a Spanish scratch, but it was a German scratch. And I said, it's a new bike. Why should I, keep up with this and accept this, when they make a scratch, when they clean the windscreen and they make scratches in it? I don't think that's right. If who is ever going to do that, it's going to be me who's doing the scratches in there, or other people, but not the repair shop, right? Anyway, so it's so difficult to tell. It's just a long story. I went there, I dropped it off. She said it will take about 1 hour. I went to the sales office, which is about 100 meters away, located away from them, and I waited there. After about 30 minutes, they called and said, okay, he can come over. So I assumed everything is ready, right? I mean, I know my Spanish is very bad, and I guess they know that too. So I went over. I assumed the bike was standing there on the stand, where they diagnose the bikes and stuff. So I assumed that they did it, everything, and that it's all ready, right? So first of all, I saw that the screen was still, or had scratches. So I assumed the new screen also had scratches. That was the first thing. I was very angry, and the other person, unfortunately, from the repair shop did not speak any word of English at all. I know it's my fault. It's totally my fault because I don't speak Spanish. But that's why we had all the misunderstandings. So we kept on translating with Google Translate on the web and stuff like that. And since we also had another issue on the table, which was the noise coming from this, apparently, I don't know if it was this problem from this cap here. We had like two things going on, and I was already pissed off by this one because it seemed like they changed and they scratched it again. I didn't know that they didn't scratch, that they haven't changed it yet. And the other thing was the noise thing, and he said about the noise, it's all guarantee, it's not under warranty, and blah blah blah, and it's an external thing and whatever. And say, what kind of a bullshit is it? I got a little aggravated, and everybody noticed that, of course. But of course, he translated on Google Translate, and everything he translated say, this doesn't just doesn't make any sense to me, Are you just trying to piss me off or what? I'm a client, I'm a customer, please help me. And anyways, after all this and after misunderstandings and stuff like that, where did they put my, oh here, okay, and and all this misunderstanding, mistranslations, finally he said, no, we haven't changed your windscreen, it is right here. And he put it there, you know, it was in the new packaging and stuff. I say, oh, okay, I'm sorry, but I thought your colleague over there told me to come over, you know, I assumed everything was ready. And it was lying over there, and it was, you know, not even, they didn't even touch it. So that was a big misunderstanding, you know, partially on there and on my side, of course. And anyways, that was this thing. And with this noise, I said, you know, I'm just being nice to you, you know. In a way, I kind of said it like this, because I don't really have to tell you where I assume it could be coming from. I just say, this bike has a noise and you have to fix it, right? Why do I have to play the mechanic and say, okay, maybe there and there and there? But I have heard it on the YouTube, and maybe that will help you. So please, can you please check what they said and maybe check on this, and maybe it will be fixed. So I said, just have a look at this cap, and he just didn't look at this cap. He was, you know, just a no warranty and blah blah blah, and said, can you just take it off or show me how to take it off? And underneath there should be a little foam, and then maybe it will not resonate, vibrate anymore. And you know, it took a very long time for him to actually do this, you know. And then, you know, after all this is not warranty and blah blah blah, and finally in the end he said something about you know, okay, you know, we can do this for free, but you know, it's not usual, you know, the way all the repair shop do this, you know. And this is not my business. It is a new bike and they have to fix it for free. Why would I have to pay something like this? I don't understand this, you know, these people. Anyway, very big misunderstandings, of course, mistranslations and stuff like that. So I finally got my new windscreen. Hopefully no scratches here. And when I bring it back to the repair shop, I guess I will put some big foil on it so that they don't scratch it anymore. And I already put some screen protector on the display. I was already afraid that they like wipe it clean and then they scratch it, because I've heard these plastics are very easily scratchable. So everything is finished. This is done now, the windscreen. I've never told you in any of the blogs before about this problem, but now hopefully this is fixed. And also this here, this has they put a rubber, actually they had a seal, an O-ring about the same size of this thing. I still don't know what it is called, this plastic cap. Underneath he put this O-ring which actually fit really well, and so this should dampen the vibration. So hopefully this should fix it, you know. So that is all my vlog for the update. I really have to go because it's so hot and I'm gonna sweat like a pig here already. Anyways, I'm gonna go home now after this disaster, more or less, and finish this up quickly. Oh yeah, it's much nicer when you have a little air. Whoa. Actually, I still have to do this video about the Honda shop over there, but today I'm not really in the mood. Well, I'm already pissed off, but maybe that will be too. I will be too pissed off for doing this vlog about them, you know. Anyways, yeah, that's about it. That's my repair shop experience today. You know, if you don't speak any Spanish and so forth and so forth, mistranslation, stuff like that. Thanks very much for watching. This is Bernard right out. Take care. Bye bye. What is she doing? I don't know what she's doing. Oh, she's asking some.